Well, it's finally here. RC 4-wheel drive Miller Motorsports Pro Rock Racer RTR. What do you say we unbox this thing? Oh, of course, there's going to be 2 pounds of freaking tape. There's one end. There's the other end. See what we got in there. Made extra stickers, of course. Let's put you over here and see what we can come up with. First box is huge. Let's see what we got in here. Breaks the seal. Factory seal 2. Okay. Three tons of more tape, of course. We'll put that one down there. Packed really nice. Lots of foam and our do not eat stuff. Directions, batteries, extra detail sheets. I like the way they packed that in there. That was not good.
Let's see if just the old knife will get through the zip tie or not. Yep, no problem there. Got a nice radio. Endpoints. Okay, that looks good. Now, let's see how we unbox this thing. And that's the little piece off the motor. RC Girl and RC Driver Magazine had the same problem. Okay. Looks like we just fold these down like the last one. There we go. And now it should pop right out. Yep, it does. Okay. So far, so good. She looks awesome. We are missing the bump stop cap, but hopefully that is in the box somewhere, because it has been with all the other videos that have been out. I've already come up with an idea of what I'm going to do for the bump stops, but I am not seeing one in the box. Rc4wd drive, you're messing up again. Could it be in with the decals or the instruction book? Let's see here. Here's the instruction booklet. Let's see what's buried in this little bag. And go the batteries. I am not seeing any of these. Okay, Rc4wd Drive, are you gonna send me the parts that are missing, or what's the story? It is missing the bump stops on the right rear. Ah, I just heard something fall. There it is. Okay. That's gonna have to be glued on. Just a suggestion, Rc4wd Drive. Make these threaded. That way they won't slide off. Especially since as you can see, it is a pain in the butt to get on. It is only on there very, very little. But overall, I am very impressed with the truck. Other than a few minor details, which I pretty much already knew about from other videos, such as Rc4wd Drives, RC Car Action, and RC Girl. But other than that, yes, the truck looks absolutely awesome. I can already tell my driver figure is going to be way too big to even try to fit in here. But that's on me. We'll deal with that at another time. Overall, for the truck, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give it a 8.5. Yes, definitely an 8.5. But that looks like everything that I'm going to put on today. So I will say thank you, and please like and share the video.